conflict of interest, kung saan mga kamag-anak pala ni governor, kamag-anak ni mayor, kamag-anak ni kapitan, kamag-anak ni konsehal ang mga nananalo ng bids, no, or ng kontrata. These are things that I feel should be addressed by this law. I hope they will be addressed by this law because at the end of the day, all of these things are bad for governance. Ang nangyayari dyan, ang nagsasuffer yung taong bayan. This law will of course help us address many of the problems that we have been facing with the current and now, I guess, repealed law. No? So, umaasa po tayo sa pamamagitan ng bagong batas na ito, yung iba natin mga suliranin ay mabigyan ng kalutasan. For example, things like kailangan lowest bid lagi yung nananalo. Minsan, the lowest bid is super low quality. Yung use life niya, isang araw, nagsira na. Quality is bad. And so, because of that, we end up spending more rather than saving more. No, so ang nangyayari, nasasayang yung pera ng taong bayan. So it is our hope that ito ma-address ito sa batas na ito. And I think it does because I think that value for money is now a important component of this new law. Ang nasasayang ang pera ng taong bayan. Plus, of course, we are undermining something that should be a just and fair process. I would like to stress ating mga trainers, please, maging strict kayo sa amin. Please, make sure na lahat ng iti-training nyo sa amin talagang align sa mga prinsipyo ng good governance. Gusto po namin ng transparency. Gusto po namin na nakabukas lahat ng datos para makilatis po ito ng mabuti ng ating pong mga stakeholders, ng ating pong mga mamamayan, ng ating pong civil society personalities. Kasi gusto natin maiwasan po yung sikreto, mga tinatago, mga opaqueness, opacity, kasi yan yung mga sagabal sa good governance. Gusto rin po natin na electronic po sana lahat, no? Na sana digitalized po sana lahat para less grounds for or less opportunities for corruption. I would like to reassure the board, Quezon City is your partner in good governance. Quezon City is your champion in open governance. And we adhere to all of the principles of accountability, transparency, efficiency, competitiveness, fairness, justice, and people's participation.
In Quezon City, we are NPA ready!